Understanding, to grow on someone, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often puzzles learners, to grow on someone. This phrase is a wonderful example of how English can encapsulate complex feelings in just a few words. Our goal is to help you understand not just the meaning, but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, to grow on someone, refers to the process of gradually becoming more liked or appreciated by someone over time. It's not about physical growth, but about an increase in emotional or aesthetic appeal. Initially, you might not like something or someone, but as time passes, you start finding it or them more appealing or enjoyable. Let's look at some examples to clarify how this phrase can be used in everyday conversations. Music. I wasn't sure about the new album at first, but it really grew on me after a few listens. People. I didn't like my coworker when we first met, but she has grown on me over the past year. Food. I used to dislike olives, but they have grown on me. These examples show that the phrase can be applied to a wide range of situations, from people and food to music and more. Understanding the context in which to grow on someone is used is crucial. It implies a change of heart or a shift in perception over time, which can be due to various factors like repeated exposure, understanding deeper qualities, or seeing something in a new light. It's a positive change, indicating increasing fondness or appreciation. Incorporating to grow on someone into your speech can help you express your changing feelings about something or someone more vividly. Here are a few tips. Use it when you want to describe a gradual change in your feelings. It can be a great way to share personal experiences of changing tastes or opinions. Remember, it's about emotional or aesthetic growth, not physical. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, to grow on someone, and how you can use it to enrich your English conversations. It's a beautiful way to express that our feelings and tastes can change over time, often for the better. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use it when you experience this kind of change in your own life. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.